For model years 2020 and 2021, the very first step that you're going to do to install the Cobb Accessport is to remove this panel right below your steering column. And it's just, this whole thing is pretty easy to remove. All you really have to do is take your hand, put it underneath, and just kind of pull out. You don't necessarily have to unplug the whole thing. So once you remove this side, you're going to go over to the other side and you're simply going to remove this as well. Don't pull on this too much because you have these buttons which are connected. So same thing, you're just going to pull in like this, just like that. Then you see these two wires right here, 1 and 2, the blue and the white. You're simply just going to unplug them. My hands are a little bit too big, but we'll manage. There you go. And then you're just gonna let this hang loose like that. Now you're gonna go underneath right here. So there's your OBD port, okay, right there. So you're gonna go up here. You see that plug right there? That gray plug? You're just gonna disconnect that. Okay, there you go. So grab this guy right here for the models year 2020 and 2021, and you're gonna want to plug that into that gray connector. Then once it's plugged in, you're gonna want to plug in your Cobb Accessport. So plug this into your OBD2 sensor or OBD port, just like that. Today I'm going to be testing out a product from Suma. This right here is the Suma ceramic spray. Having two types of vehicles, it's hard to maintain the cleanliness. And you know how I am. I'm a DIYer, and a lot of you guys that watch my channel are also DIYers. And this ceramic spray from Suma literally took me 10 minutes. It saved me thousands of dollars of taking my vehicles to a professional detailer, because literally all you have to do is just spray and wipe. It leaves no streaks and it leaves a gloss finish on your car's paint. You can also use this on your windows, your trim, wheels, pretty much anything. No complicated prep, no streaking, and the results are absolutely amazing. Unlike traditional wax that takes forever to apply, only for it to wear off in a few weeks, this ceramic spray from Suma creates a hydrophobic, glass-like barrier that protects your car's paint from contaminants in just a few minutes and can last up to 6 months. It's made of refined silicone dioxide, so water and dirt don't stick easy on your whip, and it actually hides light imperfections. For DIYers like myself, this stuff just makes sense. And if you're interested, I'll be linking this product down below in my description, so be sure to check them out. Back to the video. Alright, so basically this is what it looks like. Continue. Then we're gonna install the access port. Then it's going to say verify that the ignition switch is on. Please confirm. That is my model. Continue. And then they say you want to start off with the stage 0. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, connect unlock dongle and press continue. So that's what we're gonna do. So we have already connected it. Now it's unlocking the ECU. ECU successfully unlocked, and then the car also made a noise. So disconnect unlock dongle and reconnect gateway module, then press continue to proceed. So we're gonna do just that. So we're gonna disconnect the module that we just plugged in. I can barely fit my hand in there. Okay. Then we're gonna reconnect. If I can see, there it is. There you go, it's back on. And we're gonna reconnect these two. So we're gonna go ahead and continue. Please turn ignition key off position, turn ignition key to the on position, and immediately press OK to continue. Turn this off, turn it back on. Hit OK. So basically we're just gonna let it do its thing, wait till it's done. So yeah, tuning the FK8 is as simple as that with the Cobb Accessport. And what's good about this is that if you do decide to sell your vehicle, you can take the tune off. You can completely wipe the tune off of your ECU, put everything back to normal, put everything back to stock. So that has been successfully installed. Now it's going to say, please turn off ignition key to the off position for at least 15 seconds before starting vehicle. Turn this off. 15 seconds. Now we're going to start it. Press OK. Remember to connect to Accessport Manager, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so now that the car has been installed, so this is the stage 0 tune, which is basically factory settings. As you can see, there's a whole list of icons here. So if you wanted to tune your car, you just have to scroll down to, obviously, this whole menu here. You have your gauges, performance, measure the acceleration performance of your vehicle. Now this does not have a GPS on its own. It basically uses your ECU, your computer numbers pretty much. Then you can go troubleshooting, so you can delete codes, or you can see what the hell's going on with your vehicle. This is where you tune your car, and then you can uninstall this Accessport. For now, we're going to go ahead and tune the vehicle. I'm going to go over here. Okay. On this setting, you can change the ECU map. You can restore the OTS maps, or you can show current map. But right now, we're going to go ahead and change ECU map. You can choose between 91 octane or 93 octane. I'm going to start off with stage 1, 91 octane. Most gas stations will carry 91, and a few others would carry 93. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and continue with tuning the vehicle on the stage 1 91 octane tune from Cobb. In the meantime, while I'm waiting, I'm going to go ahead and I think this is where I'm going to be installing it so that it won't be in my way. We're going to grab the mount that Cobb provided us with. So these tabs are bendable, so it'll kind of bend with your trim right here. So make sure that you clean this off first. They provided us with an alcohol pad, so we're just going to go ahead, clean the surface off. All right, cool. Change map successful. Please turn off ignition key to the off position for at least 15 seconds before starting vehicle again. All right, here we go. Wait 15 seconds as soon as you turn off the car. 15 seconds have passed. Go ahead and start the car. Continue. All right. This one you can change your gauges, so we're going to change that. I like to do intake temperature. Intake air temperature is one of the ones that I like, 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, you can monitor up to 6 devices or 6 settings. So yeah, tuning the FK8 is as simple as that. You basically just have to plug in the access port and then plug in the module to unlock the ECU. So pretty straightforward stuff from Cobb. Like I said, it's very easy to install this on your vehicle. It literally took me 10-15 minutes. If I wasn't making a video, it'd probably take even less time. But on the scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the easiest, 10 being the hardest, I'd give this a 1, maybe 2, because we do have to remove a panel for the years 2020 and 2021. But if you have the years 2019 and under, you don't have to go into that panel. You just plug this in and unlock your ECU from there, which is pretty neat. So how does it feel? While my car was tuned, I noticed just a small performance gain. Nothing too major. Everything felt just a step better than stock, and I even got myself in trouble a few times. Cobb has excellent customer support, and if you want a custom tune from them, it is also real easy to do. While everybody gets Hondata or K-Tuner, Cobb Tuning is the most underrated tuner for the FK8.
Freaking ass, you got Cobb.
Okay.
Continue on Thomas Road for 2 miles.
Yeah, I don't know why the hell he stopped me. No? That's slow. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go!